Alright.
Mga repa ng Sunday, maganda panahon. Mag-alas 4:30 na. Tapos na natin sa baba. Pitrim na natin itong napakaganda po yung ladder.
Halaman.
Taas, no? Kumayram na ako ng ladder sa kawit bahay. So, yan. Gamitin natin itong ating
Trimmer.
trimmer.
Dali na.
Sakto lang yung taas nito.
Kailangan talaga dyan ladder, no, Dad?
Matagal din.
Oo.
Matagal din natin dito na anuhan. Siguro mga last year pa.
Last year pa.
Nung lumipat tayo.
Mm.
Pero tagal din dito tumubo kasi winter.
Oo. Nakikip lang siyang ganyan pag winter. Ang galing nga
So,
eh.
hindi siya...
Hindi siya nalalagas. Nasa taas na po yung asawa ko. Taas naman. Exercise yan, Dad!
Kailangan na tayo tumawid ulit doon mamaya.
Oo.
Hindi ako pagod na. Nakakangawit.
Mangawit ba?
Ang kaya dito may safety feature to. Hindi to andam. Kung hindi dalawa kamay yun. Gamit. Nasa bila.
Exercise yan, Dad. Hindi mo na kailangan mag-ano mamaya. Tumakbo.
Oo. Ay. Dito. Ikaw ang sining sa museo. Ay, ay.
Andahan. Ingat. Buti na lang matibay-tibay ang pinahiram na ladder. Nakaka-satisfy kapag ka napuputol mo. Nice.
Ah, diba? Okay na ma'am.
Nice, Dad.
Parang nag-aano ka lang ng buhok.
Sanay. Ano yan? Sanay ka na dyan, Dad.
Ayos na yun talaga. Ano ba? Natututo na siya mag-mow. Yan, may utusan na tayo mag-mow. Han, good job, Han. Ayan, natututo na siya. Tulak. Yan, very good. Good job, Han. Pahinga na. Diretso mo pa. Kailangan ikat mo pa. Ayun, di na ako makapagod ngayon mga repa sa sa pagmamaw. Dahil makatulong na ako. Laking bagay, natapos na namin yung halaman. Ganda na, pogi niya na ulit, di ba? Pantay, oh. Ganda. So, siyempre, pagmamaw. Marunong ka siya mga repa. Nagulat ako eh. Sabi niya gusto niya daw mag-mow. Tulungan niya ako. Sabi ko siyempre di ko hindihan yan. Kasi nakakapagod talaga yung mag-mow. Mas lalo pa yun nung kanina nung inukitan ko yan. Ang bigat pa naman ng ng trimmer ko. Pero buti na lang. Mabilis ko na nadali.
daddy?
Ito, insecticide to, Han. Every
Insecticide.
season change, kailangan kahit paligid lang ng bahay,
Mm-mm.
chopping to. Para kasi, syempre di ba pag spring after no, maraming mga insekto. Ito maganda to. Nabili ko na to sa Walmart, mura lang. Ito electric to.
Oo.
Papalitan lang to ng baterya. So, yan lang. Sa magilid lang ng bahay, nakatulad niyan. Diba? Tapos, pagkakilid ng bahay, sa mga sitana, ingatan nyo lang yung mata nyo. Kasi pag
Mahangin.
hindi naabot taas na, okay lang. Damihan nyo lang dito. Protection to sa mga anay, insekto, every kind of insect. Diba? Maabot na ng taas eh. Damihan nyo lang. Galing ah.
Ano din ba yan dapat, Dad? Aware ka na kung hindi uulan or ano?
Kung ano?
Yung perfect day, perfect time na magganyan, yung hindi maulan.
Sa kung never na maisip mo lang, siguro sa isang taon, siguro dalawang beses lang, tatlo.
Ganun.
Oo, kasi para protection ba natin ito sa mga anay, langgam, may kind of insect. Maabot ng palagtaas, oh. Ayun, oh.
Ganyan ba talaga, pati sa bintana?
Oo. Ano naman siya, kulay, ano naman siya, waterless, so wala naman itong epekto sa mga bintana kung may kulay. Maabot pala. Pero yung nga lang yung mata nyo, tsaka bibig nyo. Maabot naman pala. Ayun o. Ang walang insekto, layo sila dyan. Ano sa kanila yan?
Lason.
Ito naman. Ang pinagalingan ng insekto eh, oh. Sa gilid lang eh. So itong isa na to, siguro mga 2 season to. Marami na to. So, sulit na sulit. Gusto mo tayo?
Hindi na, okay na ako.
Okay na. Ayaw mo ha. Sipag talaga asawa ko. Diba, may katulong na ako. So habang nagkakanya siya, ako naman nag-spray ng insect killer. Buong bahay ito. So napaikutan ko lang siya. Dito na ako. Very good, Kahan.
Ano naman yan, Dad?
Ito ano? Ito tayo cleaner.
Parang trimmer. Trimmer.
Para malinis sa gilid. Diba? Yung itong bata na to sa'yo, diba? Yung sa gilid akin.
Yeah, kasi hindi nakukuha.
makuha to eh.
Yeah. Okay din pala yan. Galing, no?
Kuha-kuha, diba?
Yeah. Yung mga nasa singit-singit. Nice.
Yan, finishing na siya, oh. Grabe, galing ah. O, diba? Easy peasy, diba? Palinis. Ayan. Marunong ka na. Ipasok mo lang sa lawn natin. Okay na dyan. Kalsado naman yan eh. Kasi, doon pa sa walkway. Sa walkway. Yan. Very good. Lagay mo lang sa grass. That's nice. Marunong ka na, Han. Good job. Yan. Linisin mo rin yung hagdan. Yan. Para pag baka malinis. Okay na. Huwag mo na ano yan. Ayos. Very good. Diba? Tapos na. Tapos na. Dapat ka dito. So ngayon mga repa mga moms, ano oras na?
6.
6 o'clock na, so almost an hour and a half tayo nag-mow, nag-trim, nag-grass trimmer, nag-blower. At ngayon, tapos na. Nakita ko to. Naghihina na ako.
Pa-thank you ka sa helper mo,
Oh,
ha?
thank you, honey ko. Siyempre, marunong na. Lagi, ha?
Of
Lagi,
course.
happy wife, happy life.
Grabe. Eh, nilagay na yan. Hindi ko na papakita yung storage. Magulo.
Marunong na to. Marunong na.
The next day.
Good morning mga repa. Ayan no. Diyan ngayon nakaparada yung sasakyan natin. Ano bakit mga repa? Kasi ginawa yung aking driveway. Diba? Tingnan natin. Buksan ko kung ito sasakyan. Basa yung mga damo ah. Ulan ba? Yeah. Ha? Sure. Ginawa kasi yung driveway namin mga repa. Kaya ganoon. Tingnan natin. So ayan o. Tanggalin ko na to. Ayan nakita. Ayan. Ginawa siya. Ayan ang gumawa driveway. Seal coating. Ang haba na yan. Gandun. 518 lang yan. So 4 days lang. Usually 2 days lang dapat. Pero gawin ko lang 4 days. Ayos na yan, tuyo na yan. Kaya lilipat ko yung sasakyan doon. Yan ang ginawa yung project ko ngayon, di ba? Ang daming project sa bahay mga repa. So dito pa lang sa labas niya kasi kailangan talaga yan every 3 years. Kung hindi masisira at talaga mabibitak talaga yung ano mo, yung driveway mo. So isa lang yan no. Pagka may bahay ka, yan talaga isa sa mga may maintain mo every 3 to 4 years. So isang parte pa lang yan, no? Bukod dito sa mga damo-damo. Yan. Nakakatawa dahil syempre sa'yo yung bahay. Satisfy ka pagka halimbawang napaayos mo to kaya naayos mo. Di ba ang ganda tignan ng itim-itim. Ito, oh, Jayden, stand up there. Ito itsura ng sa likod namin, no? Oh, di ba? Ang ganda, no? Linis. Tang naselyohan siya. Ang galing eh, no? Ang galing. Kailangan talaga pa naselyohan siguro talaga, no? Tignan mo, ganda. Nasealed talaga siya. So, yan yan. So, ang total cost nito, mga repa, $518. Not bad. Good for 3 years na to. So kailangan mo kasi i-maintain yung mga mga ano yan eh, crack yan eh. So nilagay nilang seal. Tsaka para hindi ito buwan ng mga weeds din. So that's a good the good cost. Ayan oh, mahaba na naman ang damo ko. Kailangan ko ng ano yan. Mamaya. Ayan. Let's go na, prepare na for the
nitrogen.
solar. Isa pa, solar, di ba? Sa paunti-unti lang tayo mga repa. Yan, para sa mga kambal, siyempre sa mga anak ko namin. Kaya naman tayo nagpupursige sa buhay dahil sa future natin, sa sarili natin, at siyempre sa mga legacy ng mga anak natin. That's the very reason bakit tayo nagpupush and grind, bakit tayo nagpupursige, bakit tayo nag-work. At the same time, siyempre, no, don't forget din na pakaingatan din yung sarili, health, di ba? Siyempre, no? Para siyempre more time with them. And, of course, dahil hindi naman habang panahon, magkatrabaho tayo, kailangan plan our retirement. So, isa yan sa mga ina-advocate ko ngayon sa isa sa mga work ko. And, I'm advocating talaga, isa lang yun, yung financial literacy and siyempre, retirement strategy. Yun, ganda. Meron pang ano, no? Meron pang info 101 yung ano ko na yun, ah. yung content ko na yun, ah. Okay.
2,000 years later.
Morning mga repa. Hello mga repa, good morning. Ayan. Nakamatanglawin tayo ngayon, no? Kasi pupunta tayo dito sa farm. Dito sa Maymont. At yun, nauna na nga sa akin ng kambal. Inunahan na ang daddy nila. Tara na. Let's go. Dito na tayo. Ayan, kasama natin mga bata. Hello, Tin. Hello, sis. Hello, Pate. Where are you now? Where are you right now?
Where are we? Raymond.
Raymond Farm. Yeah, ready na mga kids. Hello, kids. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Yes. Jaden, are you ready? Where are you guys right now? Oh, you got a sword. Hello, okay, look. Oh, there's parang yung mga bata rin, no?
A sword.
Good, good. They're wearing a yellow, kumbaga, same color t-shirts.
Hello, saan?
Ang ganda pa ito. Makita natin kung ano meron dito, mga Rema moms, no? Ano meron dito sa Raymond Farm.
Okay, sige. Bukas na. 10 o'clock pala nagbubukas eh.
Dahil baka mainit, so dahil tayo ng syempre thirst quencher. And si Brad pala. Hello, Paras family. Yes. Leto na. Ang dami, Team Yellow pala. Naku, matala si Kikoy Dilaw. Ay, sama ka doon, Kikoy. Si Kikoy doon sa kabila. Kikoy, join them, ha. Si Kikoy will join the other group. See? Si Kikoy will join the other group. Hello, kiddos. Hello.
Hello.
Oh, sis, kumusta?
We're going somewhere to the park, Daddy.
Yeah.
It's gonna be fun. It's gonna be fun
Oh,
today.
see, look, there's a goat. Look, there's a goat.
Wait, it's a zoo, I think.
I think because it's a farm, right? When it's a farm, it means to say what you have. When there's a farm, you have a what? What you have in the farm?
Animal.
Very good. Remember we went here? You and Clark and the other guys. Let's see Johan. Let's see Johan. Johan! Hey, stop. You're with your body as Ate Tintin?
My body. Watch
Okay.
out. There's lots of
A lot of chicken back in the Philippines, you know? La 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 lava, chicken. See, blah, but chicken is Stacy. That's good.
Daddy, this is duckling too.
Where? Yeah, there's a duckling. No, that's a goose. Johan, are you enjoying here? Let's see the goat, Johan, Jaden. Hey, look at this. That's what? What's that? What's that?
A llama?
A llama? Is it a llama?
Those are llamas.
I don't know. Is it llamas? Let's see.
Hey,
Look, look how cute.
Daddy, go.
Oh, wow. Jaden, do you know that we got a lot of goats back in our country? Daming goats. Be careful. They may be hungry, you know.
Wait, look at his eyes.
Touch that. Yeah, its size is different, right? Go ahead. Our team is on front. Nakakatawa, diba? Ayan, sa church namin yan lahat. Mga batang yan. Oh, see, dami na nila, diba? So they're enjoying. Hello, Johan.
I'm Jaden.
Ah, you're Jaden, sorry. Jaden ka pala. Now, Johan is my partner now. Johan. They're going down na. They're making a house. Laki itong farm na to, mga repa. It's a big farm, right? Look, there's some vegetables here. Oh. John. See, garlic. There's an eggplant. Ganyan kalaki yung farm na yan, no? Oh, it's a donkey, Johan. There's a donkey. There, on the right.
You are the poop. No, you are dumb.
It's a donkey.
This is small dog. I will. Motorcycle.
Laki niya, no?
No, look at the motorcycle.
Ganda.
Wow, it's a feel good. Andre, come back. So big. Okay, I'm leaving. Exactly.
Tingnan natin kung gaano kalaki itong ano na to. Itong farm na to. Renovation pa pala to. Ito, laki oh. It's a bison, no? First time ko makakita ng bison. Yan pala, oh. Kasama niya mga goose. Yeah, I'm coming. Sorry. Go. Pawis na sila. Ganda to. At least makatagtaglaga sila. Baba tayo dito ngayon. Sa ano. Johan. No poop here.
Oh.
But don't troll there.
This is my clothes.
Huh?
Back on my.
Yeah, I'm gonna clean that, okay?
As you see,
No poop. Takot siya sa poop.
there's a small bridge, and you'll see a beautiful, like a
A
river,
river, okay?
and you call it. It's so beautiful.
Yeah.
So beautiful. So beautiful. So beautiful. Beautiful. Beautiful.
Mm.
Beautiful.
Very good.
Beautiful. Beautiful.
See, it's a mansion there.
Oh, I thought you said Samantha. I was like, who is Samantha?
Ang ganda, di ba, mga repa?
Oh, it is hard to.
Nice. Yeah. I'm gonna cross the bridge. Johan. See, it helped us to cross the river or water or flowing water, right? See, there's a flowing water there. Hello. Good kids.
Okay, smile. 1, 2, 3.
Napatakpan ka, oh.
There we go.
Another
There we
one.
go. A lot of kids.
2, 3.
Nice. Say ho! Say ho! Ganda, oh. See,
I
ganda
hate
ako.
sunny spots.
What? You hate sunny spots? See, it's nice ako. Oh. Oh, like we're going to the mountain.
Looks like
Looks like what?
being so tired. We're up to the mountain now.
What? No one is getting tired.
We're just pretending we're up to the mountain.
Okay. Ah, there.
Is there no jackpot there?
No jackpot, consolation prize only.
You go to the shortcut.
So, paano ayan o. Kumakain tayo ulit. Tapos we stay here. Dito. Because we're gonna eat here. Yeah.
And then look for
We're gonna have a break. No, Jordan.
those,
Who better be on the paper?
no, there's no...
Eli, you said he
Oh,
looked like
diba?
boom. That's my brother.
Ewan ko na lang.
Oh, dahil pagkain. Oh.
Grabe na.
Makain ng mga bata ngayon dito. Yeah. They're enjoying their food. Okay, Johan. Good. You like with mustard? How about you, Jaden? Do you like your food? Nice. What is that? Oh, wow. Oh, may watermelon si Brother James. Oh.
You want some?
Daming watermelon, bro. Matamis ba? Tingnan natin, tamis to. Try natin. Matamis to.
Can I have some watermelon?
Oh, here. Oh.
Right here.
The white.
Ang dami. Nabenta yung watermelon mo, bro. Tamis. Sarap. Pula eh. This is nice. This is sweet, right, Jaden?
Do we have to
What are you searching? Can you see? What else? The bird feather? I saw a bird feather earlier.
teach me? Where is it?
Oh wait, it's far. But maybe go around. Maybe go down there. What else? Go down there.
So you saw it, so I'll just.
No, you should be the one who should see. Go there, down there. Go together with your brother. Be a buddy together. Go,
Okay.
go.
Okay, let's find
Ito, pine tree. You saw it, pine tree there. The pine tree there, oh. See, there, pine tree.
Oh, yeah.
Talagang pagkaba din sa scavenging hunt, magkasama pa rin sila, yun. Okay. Mga bata, oh. Talagang nagtatakbo-takbo. Diba? Tayo dito sa mga bata na tumatawid. Ayan. Go.
Okay, small kids first.
Ah, guys! Thanks here.
Galing, ah.
Kaya naman.
So ayan mga repa, mga moms na mag-ano tayo, magliligpit na at pauwi na tayo. Enjoy ang mga bata sa ating ano ba to? Maymont Farm Adventure.
Your gummy bear.
Diba?
Take your gummy bear
See?
home.
Thank you Lord for this wonderful nature, for this wonderful day. At nag-enjoy kami lahat. Hindi ko lang nakuha ng mga repa. Oh. Kanina may nakita akong rabbit hole. Tapos ang dami kong nakuhang mga anak ng rabbit. Tinawag ko sa Jaden Johan. We saw a lot of rabbit here.
And we can pet him!
Yeah. We got 5 rabbit. See? Got 5 baby rabbit, right? Yeah, we're gonna buy a house for them, okay? Maybe mommy rabbit will gonna look for them. What do you think?
Yes, and he didn't know, so he's sad.
She does no. We're gonna give it back to them, okay?
Aw,
To mommy, okay?
but it's so cute. I'll feed them. Yeah.
Let's see
I'll
later.
feed them, but I think his
See?
mom got lost.
Let's see about that. See, those are the baby rabbit, right?
Are you keep them?
Let's see about that because maybe mommy rabbit will gonna look out for them. Let's gonna give it back, okay? Because they will feed. Mommy rabbit will gonna feed them, di ba?
If it's our pet, we need to feed carrots too.
Yeah, feed carrots. Not now because they're still small. I know. They have how many rabbits? 5 rabbits. Ayan. Now, Jaden Johan. Oh no, Joe, what happened? Stepped him?
No, he's just trapping him in the corner.
Oh, it run.
Right all the way over there.
Oh, see? Now there's a lot of rabbit around.
I thought they captured a snake and he wanted to come look at it.
But they want a pet.
Ay.
Can I go to the pet store?
Yeah, we're gonna look one, okay? Alright. Ayan. Now,
Pet store.
Do you have any pets?
No.
We don't need
not yet. Day 3 ng kailang summer activity sa church. So, yan nandito tayo ngayon sa Virginia Randolph naman Park. Lagi kami dito kasi maganda tong venue na to dahil meron siyang shade, may activity area na mayroong bubong. At the same time, may malaking field. Ngayon ko nalaman na may softball pa dito. And then what else? Meron din ditong basketball court tsaka playground. So marami daw silang games dito eh. So exciting and fun adventure to ngayon. Matanglawin! Parang si Kuya Kim lang eh, no? Jada, Johan, go ahead! May nag-softball dun, no? Laro ko dati sa Pinas din eh. Galing ang okay, go. Ang ganda, ang laki ng na to, no? Gusto kong matuto sila ng ng football, kaya yan, no, baseball.
Oo, ano mo?
Yan, pang ko na nga sa Kasi si Jada magaling sa soccer eh.
Oh. Sabi sa YMCA meron daw. Ito gusto din soccer.
Ayun, no? Jaden, you want soccer, right? Johan, how about you? What sport you
May
want?
soccer, ano nga kami sa bahay, yung goal.
Goal.
Bumili kami ng isang set. Eh, sabi ni tatay, walang magsiset.
Ah.
Kaya dinala ko, no? Para iset mo yun.
Johan, what sports you want?
Soccer and basketball.
Okay. Very good. Oh, be careful, Jaden, not too
Si
fast.
Jaden, what about you, Jaden?
Soccer. Soccer and what? Volleyball.
That's my sports. Ako volleyball lang laro ko.
I'm gonna take a video of Johan. Go, Johan. Oh, almost there. Okay, try. One more. This is a big ano. Shoot!
Oh, he's using awesome tricks. He scored a goal. Another goal.
Take a video again. See? Johan is taking a video.
And that's so close. Good job, Daddy. And Daddy scored a goal.
Alright. Another one. See, you can try. Try. Oh! High five, John. And get the ball. Watch me whip, watch me whip. Go.
Number 2.
What's this one? Tug of war.
I'll teach you Cupid shuffle.
Tug of war, our first game. Tug of war. Tug of war. Just ready.
Not yet.
Not yet. Relax.
Ready? Someone is pulling over here.
No pulling yet.
Go!
Saan kaya kampi si Boas?
Okay, 1
Dan, 1 point.
Let it go.
Okay. Ready? Get set. Go. Ha! Oh, almost there. Say ha. Oh. Alright. Okay. Yan, break time naman ng mga bata. Ubus ka ng donut. To-break na sila.
Nasa yung takip nito?
He wants the chocolate button.
Say ho! Say ho!
John 15:5. Everybody, I am the vine and you are the branches. Apart from me, you can do nothing. John 15:5. Take John. Okay.
Dadoan ha. Okay, I need to drink first. Now I know now. Yan, natapos na yung ano nila. Yung kanilang summer camp sa church. How's it? How's your experience? 3-day experience. Oh, you have a lot of energy pa. You forgot my ball. Oh, it's there. Let's go inside the house. Mommy is so excited with her phone. Wait lang.